Okay, so let's proceed for our next category. Our next category is it's Health and Wellness Packaging Design of the Year. And the winner is of this category.
Congratulations, Zeon Lifesciences.
Yes, many congratulations to Zeon Lifesciences. To collect the award, I would like to call Miss Rani Garg, Miss Yashna Garg, Mr. Pradeep Kundu and team. Please come on the stage to collect the award. Many congratulations to Zeon Life Sciences. Let's give them a huge round of applause. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए everyone. Come on. Please say a few words.
Hello everybody, my name is Yashna Garg. I'm the CMO of Zeon Lifesciences. I'm extremely honored to be winning this award. Zeon is extremely honored to be winning this award. And we put in a lot of efforts for the packaging design and the overall, whatever we try to deliver for the end user. You know, our packaging, we have an in-house team for regulatory compliance of designs. We have an in-house graphic design team who is working for the packaging design of our clients, and our team is working in and out all day. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much and many congratulations.